Hey guys, I've been looking for washing detergent. I ordered 8 Breeze laundry detergent sheet, 90 detergent sheets in 3 packs. Eco sheet, powerful laundry clean, effective and reliable laundry detergent sheet that fight odors and stain in any cycle, hot or cold. Perfect for washing dirty clothes, bed sheet, dedicates, dirty towel, more. Wash 180 regular loads. Powerful clean with less chemical residue. Convenient, easy to use, no heavy jug, no mess, no wasted product, pre-measured concentrated sheet. Compact and is lightweight, easy to store, takes up less space. Great for travel. Free from harsh chemical, plastic-free packaging, packed in 100% recycled cardboard packaging, quick dissolving in warm or cold water, work in all HE machines, tough on stain but gentle on skin. It's very powerful, clean with less chemical residue. We're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. 8 Breeze. Breeze laundry detergent eco sheet. Powerful clean, easily dissolve, no mess. So this one is up to 60 loads. Biodegradable 8 Breeze laundry detergent eco sheet, fragrance free, easily clean, easily dissolvable. Powerful clean, easy dissolve, no mess. This is what we have here. Wash without waste. There we go. And see what it looks like. 8 Breeze, powerful clean. Just stick it in your washing machine and you are ready to go. This one is 60 loads. And want to use it to do my washing. Highly recommended. 8 Breeze. Powerful clean, easily dissolve, no mess. This one is 30 sheet. And how to use it with pre-measured eco sheet. You control exactly how much to use. Half sheet, 1 sheet, 2 sheets. So medium loads, half a drum full. So use half sheet. Large drum, 3/4 drum full. Use 1 sheet. Heavy soiled or extra large load, full drum, use 2 sheets. So this is what we have here. Highly recommended. Thank you.